When our screen encounters the OEM interface splash screen, we can follow the following methods to solve the problem. We first click the AM, FM button. If there is sound, we go back to the PEMP system, click Settings Factory, enter the password 070305 to find the COM protocol. To confirm that the protocol is consistent with the original car, and then select Vehicle, then choose Vehicle Display. Choose the same resolution as the original car. Click Sure, and then return to the original car. You can see that the interface display is normal. If the OEM interface still doesn't show up or the radio doesn't make any sound when you press the FM, AM button, next, we need to check if there is a fiber optic cable in the OEM ESO harness. And if there is a fiber optic cable, we need to adapt it to the PEMP ESO harness. We also need to plug and unplug the ESO harness all over again to make sure it's plugged in completely to the bottom. Finally, we need to replug the power cord and the LVDS on the back of the machine once to make sure it's plugged in completely to the bottom. After checking, reboot, and you can see the screen is normal.